Tired of online scams and worrying about your credit card details getting stolen? I'm about to show you how to get a free virtual credit card and shop online with total peace of mind. First, let's talk about what a virtual credit card actually is. It's a temporary digital credit card number that you can use for online purchases. Think of it as a shield between your real credit card and the website you're buying from. Let's dive into how you can get one. Several financial apps and online services offer virtual credit cards as a feature. Popular options include Capital One, Privacy.com, and Revolut, but offerings might vary based on your location. Head to your app store, whether it's Google Play or the Apple App Store, and search for one of these trusted providers. Download and install the app on your phone. Once installed, open the app and begin the registration process. You'll need to provide some personal information and verify your identity. This usually involves confirming your email address and phone number, and sometimes providing a copy of your ID. After your account is set up, navigate to the virtual card section. This is often found within the settings or the cards area of the app. Look for an option to create a new virtual card. Once you find the virtual card option, you'll likely have the opportunity to customize the card. This may include setting a spending limit, choosing the card type, or even specifying a specific merchant where the card can be used. Once your virtual card is generated, you will see the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. These details are what you'll use when making online purchases. Remember, the beauty of a virtual card is that it's disposable after a purchase. You can freeze or even delete the card, preventing any unauthorized charges. So next time you're shopping online, ditch the worrying and use a free virtual credit card. It's the smart and secure way to protect your financial information. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on online security and personal finance.